Hey there! Today we're diving into a common problem that developers face when dealing with APIs, the CORS issue. You may have encountered this problem before if you've ever tried to make a request from a web page to a different domain than the one it originated from. It's a security feature implemented by web browsers to keep us safe, but it can sometimes cause headaches. The specific error message usually points to a missing access control allow origin header on the requested resource, preventing the request from being completed. Let's take a closer look at how to tackle this issue. Now, let's talk about the solution. The key to resolving CORS problems lies in installing the CORS package in your Express server. By running npm i CORS in your project, you'll be able to handle cross-origin requests smoothly. This package helps in setting the necessary headers to allow requests from different origins, thereby addressing the CORS error. It's a simple yet effective way to ensure seamless communication between your front-end and back-end systems. Moving on to the next step of our solution, we need to update our Express server code to incorporate the CORS package. By including the required middleware and configuring it properly, we can enable CORS support for our API. The provided code snippet demonstrates how to set up CORS in your Express application and handle GET requests for a list of books. With these adjustments in place, you'll be able to securely access resources from your server without encountering any CORS-related issues. In summary, tackling CORS issues in your web development projects can be a breeze with the right tools and configurations. By installing the CORS package and updating your Express server code accordingly, you can ensure smooth cross-origin communication and avoid those pesky error messages. I hope this walkthrough has been helpful in guiding you through the process. Remember to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below if you found this video useful. Stay tuned for more tech tips and tricks.